Hi, I'm Dr. Kathy McGurk, and I practice with Roper St. Francis Physician Partners Orthopaedics. Probably most important thing when patients first coming to see me is that they feel heard, and giving them the opportunity to guide me through what's going on with them before I start asking questions and going down my list of things I have to ask that help narrow things down is just to give you the opportunity to tell me what's going on. And often that leads me to my diagnosis, and then I can sort of narrow things down and go from there, but giving you the opportunity to speak is sort of step one in clinic. Ultimately, I think I'm a firm believer in that not everything requires surgery. So if someone comes to me, I don't want them to think that surgery is always the answer and that I'm going to force them to have surgery, because I think that often scares people away from a surgeon. As much as I love to operate, and ultimately that may be what they need, sometimes they just need a diagnosis and a conservative treatment path. So it's my job to talk to them about their options. Again, whether that's surgery or non-operative options like injections or therapy. But ultimately, if it's surgery, I get to help use my hands to make them feel better. And that's really, really powerful and incredibly rewarding. And sort of watch them post-operatively improve and see them return to their normal function, and back to what they love to do in life. And nothing is more rewarding than being able to see that and have them come back to clinic and feel better every time.